What's going on, everybody? So today I'm letting my white birds out in a little bit, just letting them settle down because I was doing some woodworking. But I said in a past video that I was thinking about dividing the aviary in half and putting in another trap door, which I just did this morning. So we're gonna have a second one. I'll get some chains so this stays flat, landing platform. And the reason I did this was because I only have the one loft right now, and we're definitely gonna have probably some new birds in the spring. So my thought is that the white ones I can originally let out through this side, the way I've been doing it. And then young ones I can put up here and leave this closed, and they can get used to going through a trap door over here. And I can, you know, do things separately until the new ones are good to go and flying with the ones that are slightly older. And then this just slides out. I just made it so it slides in, and eventually I'll take this out. I'll leave both trap doors open, or, you know, available, and they can go through one, whichever one they prefer. And then I'm kind of figuring that within time I'll lock this one off, and these guys will get the new ones to start going in through that door. And then, you know, wash, rinse, repeat with any new birds. So I wanted the ability to train birds individually. And yeah, so we accomplished that today. And we're gonna get these guys out for a bit of a fly in a little bit. They're busting to go. It's been 2 weeks since they've been out because of the weather, and they got vaccinated last weekend. Plus there was 40-mile-an-hour winds. It was freezing out, and today is going to be almost 60, winds 5 to 10 out of the west, so that should be perfect. And today and tomorrow is probably going to be their last time out for the year. I'm just worried about the hawks. They've been getting bad. I haven't seen any today, and we've been fortunate so far to this point that nobody's been attacked, but I don't want to risk it any longer. So I'm gonna get them out today and tomorrow, get them their last couple flies in for the winter, and then we're gonna lock them down and focus on breeding. So in the last video I showed you, we have these two guys who we're gonna be breeding, hopefully get a couple of more young ones out of them for the spring. And yeah, and then we have this pair here, who hopefully will get a few babies out of them this winter, and they'll be good to go by the spring. And I have this hen here. Yeah, I had to take this shut this morning because the latch broke off, the little stupid plastic latch, so I have to get a new one. But I have her in here who one of my whites is really taking a fancy to. So I may try to pair him with her. And don't mind that green poop, that's just bio because I skipped feeding them yesterday since it's been 2 weeks since I let them out. So I want them to be motivated today. Today's okay if they don't go very far. Just want to get them out, let them fly around a little bit. And then I'll give them their food, and we'll do it tomorrow. Let them out again. But stay tuned, and I'll try to get some videos of them up and moving. All right, take it easy. All right, well, we're back. So if these guys are coming out, I got Libby's here. She's gonna help me out, right? All right, let's get them going. Can you hold this? Aim it at the pigeons, okay? Aim it up here.
No.
out again. Come on, guys, go for a fly. All right, go on the deck. It's okay, it's okay. All right, well, everybody's back. Just hanging out. They just got their food, still a little left, but everybody's in. Got all the birds back, all 9 of them. No issues with hawks, didn't even see any. And they got a good 20 minutes in out there. And they did good. Some of them are molting, so I didn't really push them to fly too much. But where's my yellow banded bird? Where are you? Up there. There's the one with the yellow band. That one still flies the best and the longest and the farthest. The only problem today was he landed on a roof like 7 houses away, but he came back. They're still young. It's only probably their 5th time out, so they're improving with every time, and tomorrow should be even better. So, all right, guys. Thanks for watching, and again, if you see anything that I can do differently or have any tips for me, I'm all ears. I'm still learning, and I'm willing to take any advice anybody has. So yeah, any advice for flying them, any advice for the loft, or anything you can think of that I may need to know, let me know in the comments, all right? Thanks. Talk to you later.